we have.
Okay, and here we have the Burjo Arab.
Ooh, and look
There
at the
you go.
houses around this here.
The
Look at
world's
that,
only
RJ.
7-star hotel. Let's see that.
Look at the
Oh,
houses. Ooh.
beauty. It's a beauty.
Beauty.
So this is the view basically from the metro.
The next station is
Look at the metro, just there. That's how funky their metro stations are, and then you have a pass to go over the highway, straight into the station.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back at Mall of Emirates. The Mall of the Emirates.
We have a mouthful, hey?
Yeah, well we've been running around for a bit. We've got quite a few things planned, so much going on. But we thought we'd grab a quick bite from the food court, but they always corrupt us in the food court. They made us buy different varieties for us to enjoy. We're going to show you very quickly because we're quite short on time today, but we're going to give you a rough idea. Their food courts are awesome here. The flavours are just like restaurants.
And the variety that they
Amazing.
have
And
here
the
is,
variety
oh
is
my
just
God.
unbelievable. We tried to mix a few. Again, we haven't been here that many times to try and go through most of the food. There's a lot more options, guys. So let's quickly get onto it, and we'll try and add another part of what we're doing to this video. Alright guys, go. Have a look at that KFC. Look how crackling crispy that is. The whole thing all the way through is pure crispy. Give it a little dip in the sauce, and I'm gonna bite straight through it.
Go for it. Can't hear, it's too loud in here.
If you heard that crunch, you go nuts.
Is it good?
And this is a spicy one, so it's so delicious. Alright, I'm having it real quick because we really pressed the time. Difference in the chicken, same KFC, and the difference between England and here, I had to take a bite beforehand. I'm having another one. Oh! Came with spicy fries.
That looks so yummy.
Got gyros or gyros, I'm not sure what they're called. Now this is Greek, and the bread is so soft. It's pita bread, but look how soft this is. We were driving from Las Vegas to LA. We found this in a little town, and it was so delicious, so we had to order this. Dollop a little bit of chili in there. Donna meat, but it's not Turkish, it's Greek style. We've got different pickles and gherkins, etc. in there.
Oh, how was that, RJ? That bite was a big bite.
It's so spongy, almost feels like those steamed buns, and that's how you have a proper doner. But the sauces have this nice feta cheese kind of taste as well, and then they've got gherkins and stuff within that sauce, so it's a bit of a tartar.
That sounds nice.
They give you a chili sauce to add yourself. This is quite amazing. So it's quite thick as well, so you can really apply it anywhere. But it has got a little bit of a salsa taste as well. So it's not mad
Go
spicy.
in with another bite, RJ. How is it?
Oh my god, I love gyros. We only have these in America. They import the bread from America.
Oh wow. They're nice and soft?
It's amazing. Honestly, if they did doner kebabs like this in England, I'd have it all the time. We've got a black pepper chicken. Look at the flavors in that curry, which again, not too oily, just bang on perfect. Now I'm going with the lamb.
Oh, the lamb's looking so juicy.
Look at that. It's not even massively oily, can you see? Big bite.
How is it?
The lamb or mutton, whatever, is super soft. The food courts in Dubai are amazing. Honestly, their quality is like proper restaurants. And this is the black dal. It's up cooked in a very buttery style, so it's called dal makhani. Have a bite of this quickly and we're done. Quick little snack. We got a shawarma here, and look at that pizza just smoking away.
Another shawarma here as well.
And
Nice
what
salad
you eating
as
shawarma as well? Yeah. Ooh, nice little pickled salad. Not a bad place, quite a nice restaurant. Let's get into it. You know, we always love our shawarmas. We have to snack on these from time to time. Oh.
How is that,
Oh
RJ?
my God.
Is it good? Is it delicious? Is it nice and meaty?
Nice.
Oh.
And now the meat is so crispy on the edge.
Oh, that's
So
looking
crispy
so
on the
nice
edge.
and fresh.
Let's have a bite of the pizza.
Let me zoom into the pizza. I didn't show them the pizza. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. How is that, RJ? Is it
It's
good?
so juicy, the pizza. More than cheesy, it's more juicy. But
Oh,
the beef is
it's
nice and
looking
spicy.
so
The beef is massively flavored.
Oh yes, that looks amazing.
Massively flavored beef. I have to say that was really good.